Welcome to our guide on nutritious and tasty pregnancy smoothie recipes. Smoothies are an excellent way to pack essential nutrients into your diet during pregnancy, especially when dealing with nausea or fatigue. Let's dive into the key nutrients vital for a healthy pregnancy, all easily incorporated into delicious smoothies. Folate, iron, calcium, and vitamin D are crucial for your baby's development and your well-being. Don't forget omega-3 fatty acids, important for brain development. Now let's talk about building your perfect pregnancy smoothie, starting with the base and main ingredients. Choose from almond milk, coconut water, or Greek yogurt for a creamy and nutritious base. Boost your smoothie with fruit powerhouses like berries, bananas, and mangoes for natural sweetness and vitamins. Add a veggie boost with spinach, kale, or avocado for hidden nutrients. Enhance your protein intake with protein powder, chia seeds, or nut butters. Incorporate healthy fats and fiber with flax seeds, hemp seeds, or oats for sustained energy and digestion. Naturally sweeten your smoothies with dates, maple syrup, or a drizzle of honey. Try our morning sickness soother recipe. Blend ginger, banana, and a touch of mint for a calming effect. For an energy booster, combine spinach, apple, and a spoonful of almond butter. Blend until smooth. Our bone builder recipe features calcium-rich yogurt, oranges, and fortified milk for strong bones. Follow these tips to ensure your pregnancy smoothies are always delicious and effective. Always use ripe fruits for the best flavor and natural sweetness. Adjust liquid for desired consistency. Store leftover smoothies in airtight containers for up to 24 hours, and always consult your doctor regarding dietary changes. We hope these recipes help nourish your pregnancy journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips.